Hi, I'm Betsy Opyt and welcome to Nuts About Food. We're in my kitchen today and we're whipping up a morning smoothie called the Blue Butter. One of my favorite smoothies using not only fruit, but we actually sneak some spinach in it as well, so it's nice and healthy for a breakfast treat. So we're going to start with our homemade almond milk, and hopefully you saw my segment earlier on showing you how easy it is to make your own almond milk. Use 1 cup of an almond milk or your milk choice. We're going to use a half of a frozen banana, a half a cup of blueberries. I like to use frozen because it keeps it nice and cool. I also like to add chia seeds. I put about a tablespoon of chia seeds. I also use a tablespoon of Betsy's Best almond butter. You could use any type of nut butter of your choice. Even a peanut butter would be absolutely delicious in this. I always put a little pinch of sea salt because that actually heightens the flavor. And then I put a nice cup of our green spinach leaves. That's all you need. Then you add the top and your favorite blender and you blend away. Sorry. You have to edit this out. All right. Here we go. So nice blueberry, spinach, and almond butter with a hint of chia seeds to thicken it up. A nice smoothie to start your morning. Nice and balanced. Welcome.
That's okay.
Sorry. Okay. Thanks for joining us. I'm Nuts About Food. We'll see you next week.